Welcome to week 7 as we look at the idea of new product development. So out of our innovation comes new products, new services that we haven't had before, and that's what we're going to take a look at with this week's material. There is an article, just one article that we're reading this week, and then the other reading comes from our textbook. The article looks at the rate at which innovations are occurring and talks some about the science behind the rates at which things such as Moore's Law take place and how long they've been going on and are predicted to go. From our chapter, we're going to talk about a couple important concepts. One is a product development life cycle, from where something goes from being an idea to being a new product to being a growth product, one that's mature, and then a product that's in decline. And all products go through this life cycle, so understanding the different parts of that life cycle and where products are in their development is important. We also want to talk about the concept of newness. Now, this is kind of an interesting one. Incremental changes to products, such as your screen on your computer gets a little bigger, a little brighter, a little better, or on your smartphone, your battery life lasts longer. These are just incremental changes. But when you're dealing with really a totally brand new product that people haven't used before or don't know about, there's this idea of newness of the product. How do people use it? What do they do with it? There's an area of study called the diffusion of innovation, and it looks at how new product ideas get introduced into the market and accepted by people. And so we're going to talk about newness in two ways. One is newness of products, and the other one is newness of distribution. A product that may be distributed in a way that it never has before. You could think of drones delivering your products that you order from Amazon versus shipping them by truck. Or a 3D printer printing out an automotive part versus picking it up at a Napa auto store. So there are all sorts of new innovations that will affect the way we distribute the products that people purchase. As well as with every new technology comes a whole new series of services that will be developed around that technology. In our dialogue this week, we're going to be talking about products that you are familiar with that have had to overcome this newness challenge, and how did they educate the consumer about their product.